Morning mga Katimol Vlogs, welcome sa isa na namang video bus vlog. Ngayong araw na to, June 28, 2024. So, ang gagamitin ng bus na ngayon ay si bus number 5706. Let's engage the school sign. Okay. And this one's bearing plate number NQY 742. Should expire on August 2, 2024. One day before my birthday. So let's check it out. Let's see what this bad boy got. And this one is all good. Adjusters, all good. Body dami DSR, all good. This one has a Star Wars stickers on it. The Acolyte. And tires are all good in condition. Adjusters, all good. No fenders. All good. Damage also. Tires good. Hindi naman nila winalisan tong bus na to. Napakarami na naman. That's the only problem here. Nothing more. So, until next video bus vlog. Paalam!